IOs here. We see the backplane is 1756 and the controller is L71, and here we can add our IO modules. I will just add IO modules here. Click on the backplane, uh, new module, and new module, you can select the Ethernet module is EN2T EN22T. Here you see the different modules is there, EN2T, then EN2TP, EN2TR. There is a different models which is supported for first. EN2T is twisted pair media cable, is the Ethernet cable. Both all are supporting for the 10 by 100 Mbps. I will just select the EN2TP for the network configuration and remote IO configuration. Yeah, it is required. And give the name as EN2T1. Whatever name you want to give, you can give it. There is no restriction for the giving name. And here you need to create on the private network and the IP address. You can give the IP address as a 2 and click on OK. Before that, here you need to select the slot. After also you can select the slot. I will select the slot number is 3 because after controller I need to install this card. I will just select the slot number 3. And the compatibility, if you want to change the compatibility, you can change it from here. Right now I'm just keeping it the compatible module. The keying is compatible. Okay. And if you want to add some IOs, then you can add it here. Right now I want to add some IOs below this AENTR model. Is it, you see the Ethernet is there in the under the Ethernet. You can add your remote IOs. I will just click it here on the Ethernet, and you can add new modules. And here I want to add the AENTR module, which is the add-on module AENTR. Here you see this is the remote flex IO module, is the add-on module you need to add before adding the IO cards. This is 1734 AENTR is supporting for the this remote IOs. Click on it, double click, and you can give the name AEN key. Otherwise you can give as a remote IO 1 and select the private network. Here I will give the IP address is 3. Okay, and the keying is compatible and the connection is rack optimization. And here I need to change the chassis size, because right now we are seeing the chassis size is 1. Chassis size is 1. Then click on change, and this increase the chassis size is, I will select as 8, and then click on OK. Yes. Okay, then click on OK. It will create the remote IO 1, and then close it. Okay. Then I want to add some IO modules. Just click on the point IOs, new modules. The new module I want to add some analog inputs. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, can you please switch off this zoom tool, because we can see like
Okay, you are facing.
Yeah, Ganesh, but during the program you explaining lab and explaining,
Mm-hmm.
while during the time, please make this this. Now it is okay with the normal.
Okay, then it's fine. Then if you want to filter the IOs, you can filter it from here. Just apply the model filters, or if you know the IO model, then you can like it. Here you can also enter the 1734, and from here you can select the IO models. I will just select the input, which is 8 point input. Just add it. It's DI01, and the slot number is 1. If you want to give the description, you can give it. If you want to change the compatibility, also you can change. Right now I'm just keeping as a default as a compatible module is the recommended keying for the IO models. Just click it OK, and then again I want to add the same card. If suppose I want to add the same card, I can
Ganesh,
yeah.
Ganesh, one doubt. When you are adding EN2T, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hardware.
Mm-hmm.
The downside why you are adding another EN2T in the Ethernet.
This EN2T is the chassis card, which is network card, and this is the add-on card for the remote IOs. This ANTTR,
Okay.
and
So
this
what
is
will be?
this is automatically comes when you add into the chassis. It will comes here. Why? Because the in that Ethernet, the path is follow from the EN2T to ANTR. That's why it comes here also.
It automatically comes. You
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have to do it.
It is automatically come. If you add the another a into tr, suppose I am adding another a into tr to a into t card in the model. Okay, en to t, I will add another e into t card, and that gc slot number is 4, and the ip address I will select as 4 ip address, and the game name as a en2t2. Okay, first one is 1. Okay, you see another a into t is added here. If you see slot number 2, 3, 4, and inside that in the slot number 3 you seen there your ANTR card. Okay,
No, that's okay. But when you see that Ethernet, right? SN4 175 is EN2T, right?
this one, this one, no?
This one,
it it
474.
it will automatically comes, huh?
Yeah.
It automatically comes
No, in fourth slot,
here also.
EN2T.
Yes, you can see that one also. When you add the ANTTR, I will just drag it and drop it here, and you will see it will automatically add. See, this will automatically add it.
No, no. We want to add it, no?
Not required. When you add the network card, the remote IO add-on card, then it will come. Otherwise, it will not show.
Okay. You have to add EN2TR. Not
Yes, A into ANTR.
ENTR.
Okay. Yes.
Ethernet side.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we'll just minimize it, and if you want to copy it and again paste it, also that also works. Okay, then you need to change the properties or name. I will just give the name as 2, and slot number it will take automatically. Okay, then I will add it here, new models, as digital input 1734, digital output I will add two digital output here is OB8. Select this OB8, create DO01, and the slot number is 3, and compatible keying, rack optimization, and data format is integer. This data format is applied for this 8 input card. It's automatically takes. Okay, then add same card again, DO02. Okay, and then I want to add analog cards. Click it here, add analog. I will just add one analog in 4 channel analog input card. Select the current, it's IE4C. You can select it this one, or otherwise you can select the 8 channel analog input card. I will select IE8C, is 8 channel analog input card. AI01, again add one more, then add analog output current card. This is 4 channel, AO01, and one more card you can add it here, AO02. And now you see you don't have any slot number to add it here, because you are selecting the chassis size for this ANTR is 8. That's why you are not able to add one more card. If you want to add one more card, then you can select or change the chassis size first, and then you can add the card. I need to change the chassis size. Go to the AENTR module properties, and here you need to change the chassis size. Here you can increase that chassis size is 9 or more than that. Change, and now you can able to add IO card. Okay, apply filter as analog output. Here I will select 1734 OE4C. Create it is AO02, and slot number is 8. The only one slot number is available for right now. Okay, and close it. Now we have this similar we want to create, then you can export it. I will just export it, and the same I want to import it here. I will just import first. I will delete this one, and then you can import the module.
We have to add another ENTP.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can add or you can import directly also, you can copy paste also. Okay, here you can change that name is remote IO to.
How
Yes,
to add this?
if you want to add, then just click on this AENTR model, new module, and you can add it. And here you can type communication module. If you want to filter, then you can filter and click on communications, and from here you can add it. This 1734 ANTR, ANT, this any one of them. Let's you can
Short
follow
code is not available.
which this one.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That uh, you need to add that one. You can click it here and click on new module, and here you can search
EN2T.
en2t. Here you can see en2t.
Here let me type remote IO 02.
Yeah. Now you've seen the only 4 card we have in the rack, but the net in the network card you can see the multiple IOs. And also if you want to add the IOs, same similar IOs.
Yes.
Yes,
Can I add this one?
yes.
Can you share some drawings? Can you share some drawings of hardware configuration? It will be much helpful to understand.
Okay. mm, right now we don't have drawings for the hardware configuration. mm, eh,
So that people can easily understand
hmm.
what's in the drawing.
Yeah, yeah. You can also follow this one.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if you want to copy this all IO cards under this ANTTR, then you can just drag and drop it here also. Drag and drop. If you for the drag and drop, we need to press control before drag and drop, otherwise you lose a card from here and it will shift it here. That's why you need to press the control and then you can shift. Click on this, then press control and then drag and drop under the point IO 9 slot. Okay, then again you can drag and drop all the IOs similar, follow the same steps. 3. If you miss the one IO, then it will take another slot. That's why you need to follow same or sequentially. Okay,
It is not copying in my.
just drag and drop. the, at the time of, just click on this card, then control, press the control key on your keyboard and then drag it like this and just paste it on point IO.
No, it is not coming.
Try one more time, if not we can see.
Like I am clicking the zero and I am pressing the control and I am dragging it to the second. It is not proceeding. Use the first slot. Zero slot is actually ANTA. Yeah, it is coming now.
Okay, if you want to copy this ANTR also, you can do it the same thing, copy and paste it. See, I just copied that one and I will just name it as properties is 3 remote IO 3 and give the IP address for that is I will give the 545 and click it OK. In the bottom, from copy paste also you can do it. If you export this IO module, I will just export it and I will try it again, import same, give the name is remote 3 remote IO 3. All done.
We cannot copy these create slots simultaneously.
Yes, also you can copy and paste it also, just copy it and paste it
Multiple slots at a time.
on multiple slot. No, you can just one you need to copy paste. Also another thing, you can drag and drop also, that also works. If you have two projects in and you drag it from one project to another project, that will work continuous. If you drag this EN to T, then it will takes automatically all the IOs if you drag from one project to another project. Okay, the IO creation is completed. I think सबका हुआ है क्या IO completion?
एक बार ये remote IO 3 आपने बनाया है,
हाँ हाँ,
can you again tell me how to create the thing?
same import export, you can follow same things. Click it here.
Just
Yes.
नहीं drag on start ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
just नहीं करना start, उसको कैसे करना है?
कंट्रोल प्रेस करके रखो और
Control press
हाँ, उस कार्ड पे क्लिक करना है, कंट्रोल प्रेस करना है एंड देन ड्रैग करना है और यहाँ पे आने के बाद छोड़ देना है.
okay.
कॉपी पेस्ट से भी कर सकते हो आप, यहाँ से कॉपी करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर सकते हो वापस, वो भी फॉलो कर सकते हो.
अभी ये पूरे सेट को कॉपी कर सकता है क्या, पूरा IO सिस्टम?
हाँ, पूरा सेट को भी कर सकते हैं कॉपी, उसके लिए अलग मेथड है.
क्या है?
आपको AENTR मॉडल एक्सपोर्ट करना है तो इसको एक्सपोर्ट करो और वापस इंपोर्ट करो, ऑटोमेटिकली सब आ जाएगा।
ओके ओके। इसमें ऊपर डाल के मतलब बैक प्लेन में जाके इंपोर्ट करना है, वहाँ पे इंपोर्ट करना है बैक प्लेन में।
हाँ, यहाँ पे बैक प्लेन में करना पड़ेगा आपको। अगर आपने ये कंप्लीट किया है तो इसको एक्सपोर्ट करके इंपोर्ट करो बैक प्लेन में, सब आ जाएगा। एक विल ट्राई, आई विल जस्ट एक्सपोर्ट इट, export this model, export and import it in backplane. See, IO is coming, and just change the name, otherwise it will replace the initial one. Change the name, create, and it will create new model. Here the slot number also you need to change, slot number, slot number. Vendor. The same slot is there, that's why we are not able to change. One minute. That is difficult to change the slot number. I think first we need to delete that one and then we can change the slot number, otherwise not able to change the slot number. Here is the slot number actually, but that is not editable. Okay, already we have exported, we can just delete this and we can import it. Just I will delete this one. I have deleted the slot number 3 and then I will import. Okay, this name is same, create. Here there is two operation, create and discard. I will create. Okay, see, it will come back.
But we cannot change the slot now.
Yeah, the slot number is difficult to change. We'll try it first. Import model, this one. Otherwise another option is there, you can override to any one of them. I overwrite and collision the same model, then it will overwrite this one. If have some additional models in this import, then it will add in this, and that old one is automatically replaced by new one. Here the overwrite option is there. If you change the name, and also it shows the overwrite or use existing, because the already model is there. Collision details it's showing. I will just name as 3. Now you can able to create, but you maybe you will face the errors. Fail to import. The import was aborted due to errors. No changes were made to the project. See output window errors tab for details. It will showing the some error. Name is di01 and this name is automatically collision with the previous one. The same name is already available. If you have a different name, then you can able to import it here, otherwise not able to import. If you change the name here, then you able to import. I will just try to change this name, change the name. I will just give the name to everywhere.
It will be difficult, no? Change.
Yes, Yes.
For that we can create one part.
Okay. But uh, if you have old project, then the configuration is difficult to change. Then that time you can uh, do the import and export. If suppose sometimes you miss the version number, revision number, then it will you after some time you will face some difficulties in the compatibility of the module or exact match of the module, and you face some errors like that. That time you need to import and export the models. Import this. Now you can able to import it. Open. Here you can change the name is 3 and then you can import it. Yes, the same error you again already. No, di01. Same error is there. That is not possible actually.
That's not possible.
Yep. Yeah, because already we have same module and same IO code configuration. That's why not able to import. But if you don't have in your configuration, then you can able to import. Okay. Uh, Now we can create the programming.
One question, Ganesh.
Uh-huh.
If I can import and export that H dot modules to another one, na?
Pardon.
नीचे iOS है ना,
हाँ
उसको
हाँ
import export कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, इसको भी import export कर सकते हैं, but same name again it will reflect.
Reflect. Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Then drag and drop this issue.
Yes, yes. For the same project, if you have a different project, then you can directly import and export. If you have another project, then you can directly import and export this I was directly into the new project. Otherwise, you can drag and drop also all the IOs at one time. Just click it here and drag and drop another project, then it will come automatically all the IOs. That is also possible. But when you using the same project, that is not possible. Okay. Now we have controller is L71, and you can see the controller tags is following by the same name we have given in the AENTR module. AENTR module is remote IO 01, sorry, remote IO 1, 2 and remote IO 3. It will follows the same name with the IO numbers. And this I, C and O, you are seeing this I, C and O. This O is recommended for the output, it differentiate the outputs, and this I is recommended for input, and this C is recommended for the status of the IOs and card status. Okay, this three format you are seeing in the your tag list is O, C and I. O, C and I.
C is for
C is for communication status.
communication.
You can see the status. Okay, then we can create some tags. Here two option is there. One is monitor tags and edit tags. Click on edit tags. Here you can create your tags. We'll just create start. Here is boolean and array is the 32. Stop. Same array is boolean 32. Motor cmd. Here in the tag philosophy you are not able to add some spaces, then you need to add underscore like this. You can add bool and array is 32. For the boolean the array is by default is 32, 32, 34, sorry, is 64, 128 like that. But for integer you can follow as per your requirement. We can suppose we have timer, then in the timer here you need to select the timer data type, and here you can create the arrays is suppose 20. Okay, and you can give the description here is digital start digital input. Okay, and here is stop. Here you can give the motor command. And this description automatically follows for all the tags. You see all the tags having following the same name. If you want to change name it here, then you can also change it here by individual tags like this. You can change. Same for the stuff. Okay, and this is timer. On delay. Then you have different tasks.